Oh, just letting you know, I'm pregnant, yeah?
You know what daddy did?
Yeah. What was your initial reaction, Daddy? That?
My initial reaction?
Yes.
Well, I don't know, like, if you were angry at me still. And I was happy, and I was like worried you were angry at me. But then I sort of didn't care because I was more happy than worrying about you were angry. It was an accident, guys. I didn't mean it.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Are you eating first?
Wait, I'll finish that one first.
What is it?
I'm gonna finish pasta first.
Oh, you finish your pasta first?
This one, the planet.
Okay, then we'll play it. Good girl.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. It is Sunday, so happy Sunday sa ating lahat. It is currently 1:30 ng hapon. 1:30 ba? Ayan. So 1:31 and it's the 7th of February, guys. Oh my God, isang linggo na lang and it's Valentine's Day na. Anyways, nandito tayo ngayon sa kitchen kasi I'm going to cook this, buto ng baka ba, sabawin natin. So, ito sana yung lutuin ko the other day, yesterday. But then, yeah, we ended up going somewhere else. Kaya, yun, hindi ko naluto. And then, nalabas ko na, nasa fridge na siya. So, ayan, hindi na siya frozen. I'm feeling much better today, although kung narinig nyo, meron pa rin akong sipon. But since yesterday, hindi na sumakit yung ulo ko, which I'm very thankful about kasi, oh my God, iba talaga yung sakit ng ulo na nararamdaman ko, guys. So I'm super happy, super glad na wala na yung sakit ng ulo ko. Kaya sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, we will go do some grocery shopping. However, kasi nagpapahinga pa sila ni Baby Paris sa lunchroom, guys. Before kami aalis, I'll make sure na papakuluan ko muna tong yung mga buto-buto para mag-soften siya. And then later on, ready na siya for ating, para sa dinner natin. And ang ating baby girl pala, she is fine. Are you sick? No? Come here. Have a look at this one. Okay. Hi, Tita.
What's that?
What's that? This one. Hi, Tita.
It's a cookie.
It's a cookie for you, sweetheart.
Can we have some?
Of course you can have some. There you go. Good girl. Show Tita, Tita. Yeah. Yeah.
What's that?
Super happy ko talaga, guys, that we are starting to feel better. And yes, especially Paris, no? You feeling better?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, she's been a happy girl for the last couple of days. Kaya, very happy. Do you like it? Give some to mommy, babe. Yummy, yummy.
What's that?
So, yun na nga, guys. Ilang araw din akong hindi nakapag-edit because I was sick. So, hindi ako nakapag-upload and yeah, pasensya na talaga, guys. Hindi talaga kinakaya ng katawan ko at the moment. Yeah. Hang on. Bukas, Monday na naman. Work na naman tayo, guys. Here you go. Get your thing. Where's Daddy, honey?
I'm sleeping.
Oh, sleeping. Ayan. Si Daddy Mike nagre-relax kasi last night, sobrang late na namin pumunta ng bed kasi nanood kami ng Netflix, Bridgerton. Bridgerton? I don't know. But it's that English movie, guys, on Netflix. And yeah, I'm starting to like it. Kaya sobrang daming episodes yung napanood namin kagabi. Kaya yan si Daddy Mike. Sobrang late ko na rin nagising kaninang umaga, guys. Oh, by the way, guys, hindi ko pa pala na-share sa inyo kung paano ko nasabi kay Daddy Mike na buntis tayo with our second baby. Ayan, guys, oh. Bill plus baby. Yeah, equals this.
My name, that one is Buntis.
What is it? Daddy wants one?
Yes, it's my one.
Okay. Here you go. Get this, Daddy. Thanks. You're welcome. May masugo, guys. Big girl na. So, yun na nga, as mentioned, hindi ko pa na-share sa inyo kung paano ko nasabi kay Daddy Mike na buntis ako. So, nung nalaman ko na buntis pala ako, guys, that was 9th of December ng umaga. It was very random na nag-check ako. I don't know why, because I just saw that pregnancy test floating around. Kaya sabi ko, yeah, I'll check. And then I was very shocked kasi hindi ko talaga in-expect, diba? Sabi ko naman sa inyo na parang si Daddy Mike gusto na niyang magka-baby ulit, second baby. Pero ako parang iniisip ko muna na kasi we have plans na pupunta kami ng Brisbane, ganito, ganyan. So, hintay na lang muna namin na makarating kami ng Brisbane na masettle na kami doon. Tapos, doon na kami magsi-second baby. So, anyways, meron palang nag-comment doon guys sa video ko before finding out na pregnant ako. Na bakit sobrang shock ko daw na buntis ako. Na hindi ko ba daw alam na pag ano tawag doon, pag na-miss ko na yung period ko, baka buntis na ako doon. So, I just wanna make it clear, guys. So, I still, even before I had Paris, meron akong polycystic ovarian syndrome. So, yung menstruation ko is very irregular. So, may mga times na 3 months hindi ako dinadatnan, ganun. So, parang pasulpot-sulpot na lang siya. So, that's the reason why sobrang nasyak ako. Hindi ko talaga alam na buntis ako noon. Anyways, so, nung nalaman ko na buntis ako, guys, sabi ko agad sa sarili ko na kasi Christmas is coming. Sabi ko, this would be a great Christmas gift for Daddy Mike. So, yung ginawa ko, guys, I kept it to myself kasi gusto kong ibigay sa kanya pag ano. Kasi sa Christmas kasi, guys, Christmas morning, nag-open kami ng mga Christmas gift under the Christmas tree, ganun. Yun talaga yung ginagawa namin every Christmas morning. So, yun yung plano ko na i-wrap ko. Tapos, yun yung regalo ko kay Daddy Mike. But, failed, guys. Nag-failed tayo doon sa surprise natin. Kasi, the day that I found out na buntis ako, that was the day na, remember yung video ko na ninakawan yung Balikbayan box na pinadala ko ng Pinas? So, that was also the 9th of December nung dumating yung box. So, that morning, I was very happy when I found out I was pregnant, although na-shock ako. But then, the same day, mga lunchtime, yung sister ko, tinawagan niya ako kasi sabi niya, yung box dumating na daw, very excited lahat, ganito, ganyan. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, oh my God, what a blessing. Alam niyo yun, like, in the same day, dumating yung box, and then I found out na pregnant ako for our second baby. So, sobrang saya ko talaga, guys. But then, that same day, inopen namin yung box. Then, we found out na ninakaw yung laman. Yung mga laman ng box ko. Like, chocolates, and food, and shoes, clothes, and everything, guys. Tinakaw. So, sobrang konti na lang yung naiwan sa loob ng box. And that made me really, really upset, guys. Sobrang na-upset talaga ako doon. I know that, you know, laman ng box, yung ninakaw yung box, it's nothing compared sa blessings na natanggap namin na I'm having a second baby. But, yung initial reaction ko na, para bang, oh my God, pinaghirapan ko yung box na yon, and then ninakaw yung laman, and then walang nakarating sa pamilya ko. So, sobrang nasaktan ako, guys. I think most of you would understand how I felt that time, diba? So, then, dahil nga tinago ko muna kay Daddy Mike yung pregnancy ko, hindi ko muna sinabi. Sabi ko, oh, it's only ano na lang naman, ilang weeks na lang na pagtatago to. Kasi gusto ko talagang i-surprise talaga. I wanted it to be like a big day for Daddy Mike kasi alam kong ito talaga yung gusto niya. But then, the next day, 10th of December, sobrang na-upset pa rin ako, guys, dahil sa box na yun. And then, we've been communicating with the courier company. I will actually create another video, guys, update doon sa box kung meron ba akong nakuha from the company, and we'll do that in a different video. But, yun na nga, so I was still very upset, still having conversation with the company and all, how we gonna fix the problem, how we gonna solve it and all. So, yung nangyari, guys, that night, 10th of December, I was still very upset. And knowing that I'm pregnant, the hormones are already fluctuating and, you know, playing up. So, sobrang upset ko, umiiyak ako. And then, because Daddy Mike, guys, Daddy Mike is very, ang tawag dito, sobrang positive niya na, I can't even explain. Yun bang sinasabi niya na you can't do anything about it now, so, you've done your crying, can you just please relax now? Kasi, hindi ko na siya kinakausap, hindi ko siya iniimik because I was very, very upset. Kaya, he got upset with me too. Yun bang sinasabi niya na, please let it go now kasi wala ka nang magagawa. Just move on. Sinasabi ni Daddy Mike sa akin. And then, that night, naglilinis kami ng bahay. Tapos, parang, yun na nga, sobrang na-upset si Daddy Mike kasi hindi ko na siya kinakausapan o naghuhugas ako ng plato. And then, he came to me. Tapos, yun na nga yung sabi niya sa akin na, can you please, you know, just let it go now. Kasi hindi, ayaw niyang makita akong sobrang upset na upset, guys. Ayaw na ayaw talaga ni Daddy Mike. Because parang napagtaasan ko siya ng boses, guys. Ito ganyan. It's very easy for you na sabihin yan, ganito. Kasi parang, iba kasi eh. Diba? Kasi pamilya ko yung pinadalhan ko. Ako yung nagpack doon with full of love and all. Tapos yun lang yung mangyayari. So sobra talaga akong na-down nung nangyari yun. And then, yun, so, parang naano si Daddy Mike, parang na medyo nagalit na rin si Daddy Mike sa akin kasi nga ayaw ko ngang makinig sa kanya. So, nasabi niya, parang umalis siya, sabi niya, come on, get a life. Ganun siya. Parang sobrang na-upset na rin siya sa akin kasi nga sa how I reacted sa sitwasyon. Tapos, alam niyo guys, this is the very funny thing. So, dun na-fail yung plan ko na i-surprise na buntis ako. Kasi pumunta siya ng lunchroom. Tapos, ba't naiiyak ako guys? Pumunta siya ng lunchroom. Tapos, ako kasi sabi niya, yung binitiwan niya na salita na, come on, get a life. Gananon niya ako. Parang na-touch yung ego ko. Tapos, parang na-add up yung naramdaman ko na sobrang nagalit ako guys. Kaya yung ginawa ko, pumunta ako doon sa lunchroom. Tapos doon siya nakaupo. Sabi ko sa kanya, oh, just letting you know, I'm pregnant, yeah? Parang I dropped the bomb, guys. Like, seriously. Kasi parang full of emotions kasi ako that time, guys. Kaya hindi ko na alam kung paano ko i-handle yung situation na upset ako. Si Daddy Mike naging upset na rin dahil sa akin and all. So, yes, guys. Parang hindi sobrang romantic yung pagkasabi ko kay Daddy Mike na buntis ako, yung pagka-announce ko kay Daddy Mike na buntis ako kasi we were both upset and then dahil nga naging upset na rin ako guys, sinabi ko sa kanya na ganun, like seriously, this way talaga sinabi ko guys, sabi ko sa kanya, oh actually, just letting you know, yeah, that I'm pregnant. Tapos alam niyo guys, yung mukha ni Daddy Mike, like he was staring at me and then because I was crying already. And then I came back dito sa kitchen, naghugas ako ng yung mga pinagkainan namin. And then he came to me and he hugged me behind me, parang ginanon niya ako habang naghuhugas ako ng mga plato. And then sabi niya, come here, come here. Tapos sabi niya, when did you find out? Ganon. Tapos doon na guys, parang nag-change na yung parang hindi na upset yung naramdaman namin that time. Dinala niya ako sa couch, tapos doon kami nag-usap. And I saw how happy Daddy Mike was. And yeah, you got no idea. Ito talaga yung gusto niya, guys. Kasi he really wanted Paris to have a friend. He wants, when Paris goes to school, gusto niya na may kasama si Paris. Yung hindi nag-iisa yung kapatid niya. Gusto niyang dalawa talaga sila. Kaya, yun, sobrang happy niya. Actually, tawagin natin mukhang gising. At, Daddy! Come here quickly, ba?
Yeah. What are you trying to balance with?
No, I'm just telling them how I told you that I was pregnant.
Oh, yeah.
Did you like it? How I said it?
Yes.
So I was saying that it was supposed to be a surprise for you for Christmas. But yeah, we got upset that night and yeah, I just told you like, oh, just letting you know I'm pregnant, yeah?
You know what Daddy did?
Yeah. What was your initial reaction, Daddy? That
my initial reaction.
Yes.
Well, I don't know, like if you were angry at me still, and I was happy, and I was like worried you were angry at me. But then I sort of didn't care because I was more happy than worrying about you were angry.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, Kevin cuddled you.
Yeah.
It was an accident, guys. I didn't mean it.
Oh yeah, I know. He's saying like, oh, it's, you know, because we talk about it, guys, and again I mentioned sabi ko na we will do it when we're in Brisbane, or you know, when we're all settled there. And then
We did it anyway.
one day he did. I actually asked him, guys, like, so when did you do it? Kasi yun na nga, sneaky to eh. So when did you do it, Daddy?
Hold on. Let me just flash back to the one of many times.
Oh my god. But yeah, anyways, that's how I told Daddy Mike, guys, that I was pregnant. And yeah, there's this history. We're just looking forward for, you know, the arrival of baby number 2. And yeah, it will be really, really amazing, guys. We'll be family of 4 this year. Yan, sobrang sarap nito, guys, tonight. Yan, oh, ito yung gusto ko, guys. Ayan, see, may mga buto-buto, tapos may, ano, laman-laman. Ganyan. So, pwede mamaya na yan siya timplahan kapag, ano na, kakain na kayo. Anak! Paris! Can you come here for a little bit na? Yeah? Can you come here quickly, please? Anak? Come here, sabi. Come on. Tita and Tito asking, are you happy that you're having a baby sister, brother?
What's that?
Hey, listen to mommy. Are you happy you're having a baby sister, brother?
Yeah.
Yes? Would
Yes.
you like a baby sister or a brother?
A sister.
A sister.
I want this.
What is this?
This one.
Pizza. This nothing. Oh, this is from last night.
That's
Mm.
the one.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the shop now.
That's the one.
Okay, where are we going? Tell Tita and Tito where
Mom,
we're
come
going.
on, come on, run.
Okay, we're going now.
Mom, can we go left?
Yeah, where's Daddy? Tell Daddy we're going.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, sa wakas, aalis na rin kami. It's cold today. 18 degrees. Oh my god, I can't believe it when it's summer, guys, that it's 18 degrees. Nabubuang naman yata tong panahon namin. Ay. Ayan. So, minsan lumalabas si Haring Araw, minsan wala. Very quiet. Very quiet Sunday. Hang on, Mommy will open.
Good job, Daddy. Which one?
Good job, Daddy.
For down.
Where are you going, Paris?
That's for down.
Where are you going, Paris?
Center.
Shopping center.
Hey, Mom.
Anyways, guys, see you later.
Paris, come, walk to Mommy. What is it? Ice cream? What flavor is it? Vanilla. Show Mommy, babe. Show Mommy.
I want this one. And this this one.
Okay, show your ice cream, babe. Pinapakita ko yung food ng daddy niya. Si Paris din gusto niya pakita. Oh. Wow! Wow! Yung sa akin, guys, hindi pa luto.
For the day, this one.
Sit down. Yummy? Yummy? Daddy make this. So here's mine, guys, as always. Fish head with soup. Yan. I've got roti for Paris. Tama na, anak. Mataga pa niya, anak. Kanina pa pala kami nakawit pero hindi kami nakapag-vlog nung
dumating kami dito sa bahay. So, it is night time now. I'm not too sure kung anong oras, guys. Sinacharge ko kasi yung phone ko. Anyways, very maingay. Ito, tingnan nyo. Ito ang bagong laruan ni Baby Paris. Show them your new toy, Nakbi. Guitar. Do you like it?
I like it. I like a what?
Like Elwood, yeah.
See?
Archie. Ayan, yan yung bagong toy na binili namin kanina. And, yeah, I think she's enjoying it. Ayan, kumakanta pa siya. Go, Nak. Pwede, let it go, Nak. Let it go. Let it go. Push the. Let it go.
Let it go.
There you go. Yeah. Here's your microphone.
I'm gonna dance.
Good dance, okay. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. Okay, it stopped, man. Push again.
Now?
Again, okay. Look. Again, Nak, you can put it on your shoulder, Nak. Nak, you can put it on your shoulder. Oh, put it on your shoulder.
My mama.
Okay, Mama push.
The mama eating first.
Oh, you're eating first?
Wait. I'll finish that one first.
What is it?
I'm gonna finish pasta first.
Oh, you finish your pasta first?
This one, the one then play it.
Okay, then we'll play it. Good girl. You should be eating first so you grow taller and bigger, okay? Mama help you?
Oh, for that one.
Ay, gosh! Tingnan nyo, may pasta sa gusto.
Slide that one. I just slide that one.
Ay, shush, careful. I don't want you to get hurt, okay?
Wait, one not mine.
Okay.
Want me to clean it? It's working.
It's working.
What? It's me.
Sing. Sing po ba? I-I-O. Time check tayo, guys. It's now 10:30 ng gabi. Yeah, anak, turn that off sa anak, kay Mama will end the vlog na. Guys, very maingay talaga ang ating baby sa background. Anyways, I just want to say thank you sa inyong lahat for always watching our video. Before natin i-end, ano lang tayo, guys, mag-shout out lang tayo. We'll play it again tomorrow, okay?
I want to get in the bed.
Yeah, but you can take this one because we will go to sleep and it's very noisy. Okay? You want to do the shout out with Mommy? First shout out goes to Jezebel Agot, Maggie User, Juliana Leoncio, Cecil Regalado, Elenita Ponzalan from Pampanga, Charita Mayo, Vicky Inot, Rina Merica Huerta, Mercy Narito, Blessed Eva Anasaliv, Joanne Ambe, Virgie Gases, Emmy Garcia, Admin, Elsa Serrano, Wendy Christy Hamorabo, Mami Rose Sabalye, and Christine Namayan. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.